Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen and today I'm going to be sharing with you 10 design trends that might be dating your home and how you can fix them. This video is for anybody that really wants to make those upgrades to their space. Maybe you're renovating, maybe you're actually looking to sell your home and you're trying to spruce it up so you can make the most of that sale. Either way, I hope this gives you some ideas and some direction on where you can start. If you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. I'm Kristen, interior designer and home decor expert. I'm sharing all of my designer tips and tricks with you to help transform your house into the home of your dreams through DIY projects, affordable home decor, styling tips, and home organization. If I can do it, you can too. Let's make our homes look and feel their best. Now, one thing that I think is instantly dating your home right when you walk through your front door is your overall color palette. If your home is kind of lingering around that cool gray tone when it comes to your flooring, paint colors, furnishings, then your home is looking about 10 years old at this point. Back in 2015, every renovation, home flip was going gray. Gray wood floors, gray laminate floors, gray paint colors, and it's all coming off very cool and sterile looking. Now we're leaning more towards those natural finishes, natural tones, and those cool bluish grays are kind of throwing it all off now. You can integrate warm tones and cool tones together to really create a full cohesive look that I think looks very balanced. The one thing you should prioritize changing is your flooring. I suggest going with more of a white oak finish. White oak is on trend right now, but it's that perfect finish that really merges warm and cool tones together. So if your kitchen is gray, you can go with the white oak flooring and it's gonna help mix the two together. You're gonna get that warmth, but you can also keep some of those cool tones that you have throughout the rest of the house. So you definitely don't need to go demo your whole home and start from scratch. Bring in a modern finish like white oak that's really going to help merge the two styles together. Now, a little wall detail that might be dating your home back to the 70s is your wood wall paneling. The dark tone of it is just completely bringing your space in and making it feel really dark and dated. But I do not suggest ripping it out altogether because the texture of wood paneling is fantastic. So I suggest keeping the wood paneling, but giving it a fresh coat of paint. Painting wood paneling is very easy and it really makes a huge difference, and it can actually add a really amazing modern touch to your home. You can paint your wood paneling white for a fresh new look, or you can go bold and pick a really fun color to just accentuate that wood detail even more. I love keeping original design elements like wood paneling, but making it work in a little bit more of a modern way. So a fresh coat of paint will definitely take you there, and it's a very easy, affordable change to make. Now, this one might be a little bit shocking because I know a lot of people have them. They were the modern thing at the time, but now they are kind of dating your home back to the 2000s. And that is California shutters. These were all the rage back in the early 2000s. They were really innovative. They were really built in and finished, but now I think they're coming off a little bit bulky and they're actually making your home look darker. The only way to completely open up the window is to swing the entire panel open, and now you're taking up a ton of space. I would say remove them all together, go with something more like a roller shade, a Roman shade, even a nice set of drapes. That's gonna give you more light, it's gonna take up way less space, and it's gonna instantly modernize those windows. I really love my motorized roller shades. They're super minimal, they do the job, they filter light, they create privacy. You don't even realize that they're there, and they're easy to decorate around. So if you have California shutters, I know they were a big investment to buy at the time, but I think it's time for them to go. Now, when it comes to your bathrooms, there could be quite a few reasons your bathrooms look dated. It could be your faucets, your vanity, your tiles, your lighting, but if you have a toilet seat cover on your toilet, it's instantly dating your home. That is something you can just remove right now and instantly upgrade the look of your toilet. Now, when it comes to a larger change, if you're renovating your bathroom and you're willing to create a new layout in your space, get rid of the jacuzzi tub, get rid of the corner tub, and put in a freestanding tub or a large glass shower. This is gonna help save space in your floor plan, make the space feel larger, and definitely add a ton of value to your home. Now, here's a little wallpaper trend that is dating your home about 20, 30 years. If you have wallpaper borders in any room of your home right now, it's time to take them down. I removed all my wallpaper borders in just a day with some wallpaper remover. You spray it on, you let it sit, and it peels right off. So I highly suggest it. If you're looking to do something this weekend that's going to make a huge difference, it would be removing those wallpaper borders. Now here's a pattern that's kind of out of style at this point. It was a little overdone 10 years ago, and now I think we need to move past it. And that is the chevron pattern. If you have a chevron rug, chevron wallpaper, chevron pillow covers, it's time to change up the pattern. It's just a little bit too primary, a little bit too bold and simple, and it's kind of dating your home back to 2011. Something that will never go out of style that's very similar is the herringbone pattern. And you can implement this into your home in a very large way. You can do herringbone backsplash, herringbone flooring, herringbone tile. So if you really love those edges and those angles, herringbone is going to give you that timeless look when chevron is going to give you the 2011 look. Now, something that also came to be during that beige phase, that Tuscan Mediterranean warm tone phase, was overly ornate light fixtures and iron accents around the house. Swoops and swirls and dark fixtures. And now they're really making your home look dated. This is just one of those things that stands out like a sore thumb. If you totally upgrade your home, but you keep those ornate, swoopy light fixtures, your home is still going to look 30 years old. I would suggest more streamlined, simple light fixtures. They can still have a ton of detail when it comes to their lines and finishes, but not so much swoopiness and not so much heaviness. And when it comes to your staircase, I would definitely suggest switching out the heavy ironwork for something very simple and streamlined. Going with simpler lines is going to give you more of a contemporary look, and it's not going to be as overpowering. Now here's a little living room or family room design idea that I think is going to take your room to the next level. It's going to add that wow factor, it's going to modernize your space, but actually also make it look a little bit more timeless. If you have one of those short little fireplaces that's very simple and standard, it's kind of dating your home back to the 90s, even 2000s. And you can actually keep that fireplace, but add a lot more onto it to make it look built in and fabulous. You can add that wow factor by building out the fireplace up to the ceiling. It's going to add a focal point, a wow factor, a design element in your space that's totally unique. It's something that you can DIY yourself, or you can hire out to really make a huge difference. Now, something that used to be very modern and high-end was white, shiny chrome interiors. Anything that looked crisp and modern and clean was the thing to do, and now I just think it makes your home look really dated. So actually the more modern thing to do now is actually have matte, more organic finishes, warmer color palettes, matte paint finishes, really lived in woods and textures that are really gonna add a ton of detail to your home. Now, if you have a shiny white chrome home, consider bringing in different metal finishes, bring in that mixed metal look, maybe implement some rugs to warm up your flooring, introduce wood tones and different furniture choices to kind of tone it down a little bit so that everything isn't light bouncing and shiny and hard. Warm it up, add texture, add color, and you can totally balance out that space. All right, so that's it for the 10 design trends that might be dating your home. If you're looking for even more ideas on ways that you can spruce up your space, I'll leave a few of the videos I made on this topic linked down below in the description box so you guys can check those out as well. Let me know down below in the comments if we touched on anything in today's video that you want to change up and modernize in your home. And if you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned all the way on so you're first to see the next video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!